Hi, today I'm going to introduce the Dahua X-Spans network PTZ camera. So this is a typical PTZ which has a lens on the side and also the PTZ. It has illuminators both infrared and white light on both. It has mic, speaker, so it's a complete all-in-one solution. So it has supporting wide dynamic range. It has infrared cut. Then it has smart H265 plus, so it means it's going to save you on storage and bandwidth requirement. Then it has perimeter protection, where we look at tripwire intrusion, all this done by AI. So this is an all AI smart camera from PTZ, camera from Dahua, and I'm going to just open it up so that we have a look at what is in the packaging. So I'm going to just pop it up. After I pop it up, then let's just go one by one on what is in the package. So the first thing is the hook together with the quick start guide. It has some waterproof, some manuals. We also have the wall plugs. Then it comes with this kind of adapter, so we can connect to its own power adapter. And looking at the adapter, this is a 36 volts adapter, so it means even the high PoE can still power this camera. Let's also look in this packaging. There's a water leak seal. Then we have the mounting accessory. So this is what you hook to the mounting bracket, and this is how the bracket looks like. So I'll just pull it up. So by default in the packaging it comes with this bracket, and this bracket we hook it up to this mounting accessory, so that we hook it up here, and then now we screw this to the camera. Then looking at the camera connectors, we have this. So we have support for network ports. We have support for this is alarm. We have support for direct power. We also have support for audio out and audio in, so it can take external audio connections. Then the next layer now is the camera itself. So I'm just going to open it up. Even the tape, I'll just cut it out. So let's just cut it out. So after cutting it out, I will pull out the camera. Bear with me as I pull out the camera. Before I look at the camera, let me just confirm. In the box we don't have anything more. So now let's look at the actual X-Span PTZ camera. So I'll just pull out the paper also. And finally, this is the actual camera. So we have the fixed lens here, which is not as fixed. It's also long range. Then we have the PTZ itself, having the actual appearance on the box. So this model goes for 250 meters. We have 300 meters, we have 150 meters, we have 100 meters. We even have dual fixed lens. Based on your preference, you can get this type of PTZ camera and install it for your own experience, for the benefit of your surveillance, and improve the quality of surveillance that you have. So thank you, and let's look forward to having an experience on this camera in our showroom in Westlands. So you're welcome to see it and try it out. So that's been me on the Dahua X-Spans PTZ series. Thank you for being there. Thank you for following through the video, and let's keep learning more about how you can heighten up your security with Dahua solutions. Thank you.